Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will download Zoom application in Ubuntu system, and it's a 22 edition. So you can simply open a browser and type this URL. I will share this in video, so you can simply click on it to download. Okay, once you click and it starts, you have to just simply select the first Linux type, and it is Ubuntu already. Okay, and the OS architecture is default is 64, so we can just simply click to download. However, I already have downloaded it, so I don't need to download. You can see here uh, this one. Okay, zoom underscore amd 64 with Debian. Now we need to install it, so simply open terminal and sudo dpkg hyphen I and package name. So for package name, let me go to download sections as well, so we can verify. Okay, package is already available. Now sudo dpkg hyphen I and zoom. Okay, and asking my password, so I'm putting it, and now it's installing now. So first of all, it's going to be unpack the package, and then installation will start. So in between, if you're like, if you are feeling the channel is good and you are able to understand the things, you can simply like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you feel, if any support required or anything, you can simply comment on the video. I will help you out with the any error. Okay, so like this one. So here you can see dpkg error processing zoom. Okay, looks like it's a dependency issue. It's a dependency problem prevent configuration of zoom depends on you can see here it's a lib axb and this. Okay, so I'm copying it. However, package libxb extreme is not installed. Zoom depends on libxn. However, the package is not installed. So we can see here three dependencies are available. Okay, so I'm going to install one by one, and then let me become sudo shu, so I don't need to type password again and again. Okay, apt install and then paste the value. Okay, let's execute the other command that is uh, indicating me to execute it. Okay, sorry. Okay, so it is showing me to install it. Now let's wait some more time. So sometimes, we see some sort of dependencies are here to fix. So this is the way you can simply fix the issues. Okay, so you can you can get all the sort of hints during the installation, like you can see these dependencies. So I installed first of one, let me install the second, and similarly I will do for third one. Okay, reinstall. Okay, this is the already installed version. Already the newest version is available. Now the third one is, it's a zoom depends on lib. Okay, hmm okay, this is also installed. Now let's go back to the first dpkg. I'm not using sudo because I'm already root now, so I'm going to directly install it. Okay, looks Zoom is installed. We are not seeing any error here. Okay, now let me simply go to search menu and type Zoom, and here you go. We can see Zoom application is successfully installed, and during the installation process we fixed the all dependencies, we did all the things, and then the Zoom is finally installed, and here you go, the Zoom is showing. That's it. So through this way you can figure out if there are any issues going on during installation. Okay, so just do comment on the video if you are feeling facing any issues or something like that. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.